As you're decorating for the holidays, make sure that staircase Christmas decorations are on your checklist. With a few lights, ornaments, and greenery, you can create a wow-worthy effect that can tie together your space for the holidays. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you stylish staircase decoration ideas for the holidays. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One, make a major statement. Go big or go home. If you're all about larger-than-life cheer, display nutcracker statues that will command guests' attention and steal the show. 2. DIY a popcorn garland. Layered a simple popcorn garland over a green garland and finished it with pine cones and shiny red ball ornaments for a modern take on the popcorn and cranberry garlands of old. 3. Light the way with candles. A warm, natural glow is impossible to resist with this relaxed holiday staircase. 4. Use arch garland. This warm and inviting entryway pulls in elements from nature to create a traditional and cozy holiday mood. Pre-lit artificial garland was the backdrop for this dramatic staircase arch. Then we layered in white, green, and gold balls with coordinated beading to tie the whole look together. Easily create this arch with a color scheme that matches your own decor. 5. String some lights. Zhuzh up your garland by layering in other festive touches, such as pinecone-shaped string lights and little village houses. This setup is excellent for those who prefer a more subdued color scheme. There's no bold red to be found here, but are still all about embracing the holiday spirit. 6. Spell it out. Oversized letters can be used to spell out a seasonal phrase like Joyve or Noel, and we love the idea of placing a wreath where the letter O should go to create a little extra holiday spirit. These letters can easily be found at craft stores and can be painted or customized to your liking. 7. Go for the gold. For a glam take on holiday decor, go for white and gold accents like these elegant stockings that complement the elegant grandfather clock nestled beneath the staircase. 8. A touch of whimsy. The awl on the banister post is an unexpected and whimsical accessory that kids, young and old, can appreciate. 9. Light it up. You don't need a long winding banister to make your staircase look pretty. Even a simple railing can be jazzed up with decor, and lining the steps with cute flameless candles really adds some oomph. 10. Use eucalyptus. Skip the regular garland and opt for eucalyptus if you like. Scattering ornaments throughout is a simple way to elevate a classic. 11. Decorate under stairs. Under the stairs, a vintage toboggan is used for a Christmas card display alongside a vintage painted Santa for a festive and kid-friendly holiday vignette. Complement a staircase garland with a Christmas display in your understairs niche for an extra festive look. Dress the staircase in a voluminous green garland decorated with silver bells and earthy green ribbons. And that's a wrap on our stylish staircase decoration ideas for the holidays. I hope these ideas have inspired you to transform your staircase into a festive masterpiece that elevates your holiday decor. Whether you go for a cozy, traditional look or a bold, modern vibe, your staircase is the perfect place to showcase your creativity this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more holiday decorating inspiration. Share your favorite staircase decor idea in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're sprucing up your home for the holidays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays!